This wacky device right here is saving us money on our electric bill every month, and it's super DIY friendly. Let me show you how. All right, so we got this micro inverter from Amazon, and we've been trial testing it here with some solar panels. This is a super easy way for anybody to hook up solar. Just set up your solar panels however you want, whether they're on the roof, ground mount. For us, we just tossed them on the ground here real quick to test this. All right, so basically every solar panel just has a couple output leads, positive and negative, and then I bought some jumper cables here, which you can get on Amazon or whatever. We actually made these out of some stock wire. They're just gonna click together like that, and that's your hookup. And then you run over the wire to the side of the unit, and this unit has 4 inputs. So this is what they look like coming off the unit right here. So you have a positive and negative. Just make sure you get those right, and then hook up all 4 of them. You can also daisy chain this to have more than 1 unit. So if you want to have more solar panels than 4, you just get another unit, plug it in, and then it feeds right through the rest of them. And then in the end of the line here, it's just got this lead cord that comes off the end, and it's literally just a 110. So that's going to be able to plug into any household outlet. And as long as you have grid power, it has to have grid power, meaning that you have power coming from the grid. As soon as that shuts off, this unit will shut off, but that's how 90% of the solar power works that you're going to buy from a solar company if you don't have battery backup. And it literally takes the power from the solar panels, runs it through this inverter, comes out as a 110 circuit, and goes right into your house. You don't have to do any hard wiring or electrical work. You literally plug your solar panels into it, you plug it into an outlet, and now you're putting power into your house, as long as your house does have grid power. So this is just going to push any power that this makes into the system, kind of mix in with what you have in the house. It's never going to send it out to the grid. It's not going to, if the power goes out, it's not going to harm any linemen. As soon as the grid power goes down, this thing shuts off, all power's off, so it is safe. And it's something you're really not even going to have to tell the power company about, because they don't even know it exists. It's just going to input some power into your system. This thing is amazing. It also has an app so that you can see the power usage, and it'll tell you what is coming in every day. So I really like it. I think this is a fantastic way to get into solar, offset some of your electric costs, and if you like it, then you can always swap this out for an inverter system, do some battery backup, things like that. But for just a quick little money saving, obviously of the investment of the solar panels and this unit, but long term it should pay for itself and just help you kind of bring those monthly costs down.